You want some cool stuff to wear to the next Hamfest? Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX, right here on HamShackTV. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a good evening, good day, good afternoon, whatever you're watching this. I really appreciate you being here and your support. Some of you have asked, Josh, when are you going to get some HamShackTV merch? Well, we've got HamShackTV merch. Some of it is attached to YouTube, which you can find right here on the YouTube channel, but I also have a Printify store, and I wanted to show you all some cool stuff that I've got here. Printify, you'll see the link down in the description down below, but we'll work our way backwards. I've got some different t-shirts here. CQ, 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 DXer for life. Pretty cool picture there. You can get that from small all the way up to 5 extra large for $23.33. Not a bad price. For the kids, Future DXer. Check that out. Ain't that pretty cool? Extra small all the way up to extra large. $22.90. We've got HamShackTV t-shirts. Rep these at the Hamfest. Guys, I want to see some of y'all wearing these at the Hamfest coming forward. We got the Huntsville Hamfest coming up soon. We've got some other ones. So yeah, I want to see these being repped here soon. $15.68, not bad. You got all kinds of different color possibilities there. You can go from small all the way up to 5XL on that one. We've got the HamShackTV hat. Who doesn't like a good hat? Get it loaded up here. It's taking a minute to load, but we've got multiple color options: red, black, and for some reason they're not populating, but there we go. Yeah, there we go. So there's the red, there's the black, there's the khaki, the hunter green, the blue, the navy, and the white. There we go. It's not one to load, but there you go. You can get the idea there. Those are $25.03. Not too terribly bad. Maybe protect your iPhone. Maybe you have an iPhone. These are iPhone only, but they go all the way for. Actually, no, there are some Samsung Galaxies. We can go iPhone 7, 8, and SE all the way up to the iPhone 15 Pro. Pro Max, all that kind of stuff. These are pretty good iPhones. That covers, guys. These are not otter boxes, though. I'm just going to give you a heads up on that, but you've got 2 layers of protection on your phone there. $18.23 there in the HamShackTV store. Now, this is my pride and joy. This was an inspiration from a stream that we did last week. This is the Make Ham Radio Great Again snapback hat from HamShackTV. Obviously themed after a certain political candidate. We're not going to get into politics here, but we all do want to make this hobby great again, irregardless of your politics here. So check that out. Pretty cool. This is the look from the side, and then on the back you've got the HamShackTV logo there, along with YouTube on the side. So really cool hat here. $37.78, right, available in the HamShackTV store. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. If you are new here, I appreciate you coming. I do ham radio videos, news, demonstrations, different things like that. We go to a bunch of Hamfest together and all kinds of cool stuff like that. Hurricane Watch Net will be coming up soon. When we do have hurricanes in the Atlantic, we will have the Hurricane Watch Net right here on HamShackTV. Guys, we do the stream every Thursday night at 8 o'clock. Look for some special guests, hopefully coming soon. Guys, I can't say thank you enough. If you want to support the channel monetarily, other than the store, we do have affiliate links down in the description. Don't forget, Amazon Prime Day starts tomorrow, July the 8th. Use the Amazon affiliate link down below. That'll get HamShackTV credit, and it'll help us out, help us grow. Guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget the super thanks down in the comment section. 73s, everybody. AA4WX, WSCB 693.